on behalf of Mr Trewavas, our Mayor, who's unwell, and we're sorry to hear that, and we hope he's going to be better soon. Tuesday, Councillor Freeman, would you like to do our karakia?
I te atua kaharoa kia tata mai koe kia mātou I tēnei rā. Manaki te a mātou mahi katoa, e runga I whenua, o te matua, o te tama, o te wairua tapu, ake ake, āmene.
Amen. Thank you. So, as I said, welcome to everyone and thank you very much. So, without further ado, we have our webcam on and microphones on, everyone. Everyone ready to go? Do I have any apologies? Apart from our worship, yes, which we have noted. And mover and a seconder for that.
I'll move.
Thank you. We have mover and a second. All those in favour?
Aye.
Aye. Thank you. Right, item 3.1. So, confirmation of the minutes of the meeting on the 25th of October. Do we have any amendments? No? Rightio. Do we need a mover and seconder for that? Okay. 4.1? No. 8th of November? Sorry, thank you. Any amendments for that one? Okay, no amendments? Right. All those in favour?
Aye.
Thank you.
Mover
Moving and seconder? Thank you. Thank you.